Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. Basically, in the last video, we talked about graphics. Here we are talking about SVG. This is an alternative to Canvas. Alright, so here we are with a new topic, and the name is SVG graphics. Okay, so here we are. Now, what do you understand by SVG graphics? See, the first thing which I want to tell you about SVG graphic, it is a vector-based graphics in XML format. So you have to remember this, very important. It is in the XML format, right? So this is one thing which I wanted to put it across. Okay, so that's what it is. The second thing which I want you to remember over here is nothing but this draws the 2D graphics in the XML format. And what does this mean? I mean, this is what is the full form. So it is known as scalable vector graphics. Okay, so we have this thing. Now, what happens, like in the last video, you learned about Canvas. Now, what happens, Canvas draws the 2D graphics on the fly. You need a JavaScript. Here, as I told you, it needs a XML. The second point is in SVG, each drawn shape is remembered as an object, right? If the attributes are changed, the browser can automatically re-render the shape, right? So if you change something, it will take it out. But what happens in the canvas? In the canvas, it is rendered by pixel. And in canvas, once the graphic is drawn, it is forgotten by the browser. So if you have to change a simple thing also, you have to write the whole code, right? Okay, now I think this is too high level. As of now, I can just give you a small detail on this, a little bit about it. So I'll go like this. Here I go. I'll start with the body. In the body, you will type SVG, right? You will type the width. Yes, you have equal to. In the double quotes, you can put, suppose, say 200 and 200. So what is the width of this you need, right? Then you have height, which is like equal to 200 again, right? And we'll close it right here. Then what is the next thing? Suppose we have to draw a circle. So I can just show you like this. Although it won't be visible right now, it is a box which is created like 200 and 200. Now once the circle is drawn, you'll be able to see it easily. Now we have circle, then I'll put CX. So it is like X and Y positions I am trying to declare over here. So it is like 50, then I go to CY, I will put, sorry, equal to, and again I will say 50, right? And let's put the radius of the circle. Let's say the radius is 40, okay? And let me put the stroke right there. So which stroke do you need? Suppose let's take the stroke as black. So what do you mean by stroke? The border line, or which color you want. That's what we are trying to take here. Then we'll say stroke width. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Yes, so this is stroke width, and what is that equal to? Say 4. Suppose this is what I need. And which color do I have to fill inside? Maybe I will say after fill you have to put equal to, then you should say pink, and like this, and close it. Plus, what will you do? You will close SVG, and yeah, okay, you will close SVG, plus you will close the body, and here you are. Okay, so can you see this circle? Suppose I change the width of the circle, say 100. Okay, see, so it has changed. The position x and y is changing. Okay, suppose I change it to 100 again. So what happens? See, it came down. Suppose I make the radius as 50. So the circle will be bigger. Okay, stroke is black. Suppose I make it, say, green. So this will be green. Fill color, suppose I change it to yellow. Okay, so this is like yellow and green. Suppose this width, see the thickness of green color, I make it 10. So see, it is more darker, right? So this is how you make the SVG graphics using XML format. And I think it is much easier than your Canvas, because there you need JavaScript. Here also you need XML, but then I feel that this is more easier to do. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.